Hello students, in today's video we will see the meaning and characteristics of features of financial services. First of all, let us see what is the meaning of financial services. Financial services are the economic services provided by the finance industry which encompasses a broad range of organizations that manage money, banks, insurance companies, finance companies, investment funds, etc., and some government sponsored enterprises. Now, students, let us see the features of financial services. The first important feature of financial services is intangibility. The basic characteristic of financial services is that they are intangible in nature. For financial services to be successfully created and marketed, the institutions providing them must have a good image and the confidence of its clients. The quality and innovativeness of services are the focal points for building credibility and gaining the trust of the clients. Then, the second feature of financial services is customer orientation. The institutions providing financial services study the needs of the customers in detail. Based on the results of the study, they come out with innovative financial strategies that give due regard to costs, liquidity, and maturity considerations for various financial products. This way, financial services are customer oriented. Then the third important feature of financial services is inseparability. The functions of producing and supplying financial services have to be carried out simultaneously. It means the function of producing and the function of supplying cannot be separated. The fourth feature of financial services is perishability. Financial services have to be created and delivered to the target clients immediately. They cannot be stored. They have to be supplied according to the requirements of customers. Hence, it is imperative that the providers of financial services ensure a match between demand and supply of the services. The last feature of financial services is dynamism. The financial services must be dynamic. They have to be constantly defined and refined on the basis of socio-economic changes occurring in the economy, such as disposable income, standard of living, level of education, etc. Financial service institutions must be proactive in nature and evolve new services by visualizing the expectations of the market. So students, I hope you'll have understood the meaning of financial services and the important features or characteristics of financial services. Thank you and take care.